welcome back to our channel where we explore Crunchlabs projects. And I'm here with my partner Aris. My name is Uzair.
Let's look inside and have some fun.
Here is a QR code where you scan it and then you automatically have a video where Mark Robot shows you how to make it. But if you don't want to, here are the instructions. Okay, let's start building.
So I think this is duct tape or tape.
So we managed to get this far. We spent 10 minutes searching for a tiny rubber that wasn't even lost. It was on the table.
But let's continue.
Okay. Finally finished the Crunchlabs disc launcher. We're gonna do a few test runs and then we'll update you. It was fun, and in terms of our first Crunchlabs box, I mean it was really good.
Our dad helped us because it was quite challenging when it came to bits that we didn't know.
So yeah, we're gonna do some test runs and then see if it's actually good.
Testing it now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was gonna load it up and let's see how far this big boy can go. Okay, let's switch it on. Okay, I don't know how to.
You have to pull that down. Oh.
Okay, wrong way. Okay,
Oh my God.
last one. So that's how it runs. That's good.
How does it fly?
It flies pretty good. In terms of stability, for the disc not just coming out, for the disc not,
Angle it down.
so for the disc not flying out, that's good that
Angle it
this
down.
just, it's good that the disc just does not just
Show it.
goes,
Press the button.
not flies out. It's good.
No, you're lifting.
In terms of the disc guard. Oh, I don't know where that went. Oh. Okay, now we're gonna go search and find them because
I think that's all.
once again we're gonna do another few shots, but this time slow-mo, so you can see the mechanism and how it actually worked at work. So let's. Our first build box of the disc launcher.
We will look forward for the next one.